Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to guide you step by step on how to join a family plan on T-Mobile and share savings with your loved ones. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Check eligibility. Before you start the process, ensure that you're eligible to join a family plan. You can do this by confirming with the existing account holder, the primary account holder, that there's room for additional lines. Step 2. Gather required information. Collect the necessary information you'll need to join. This usually includes your name, address, and identification details, such as your driver's license number or social security number. If you are switching from another carrier, you'll also need your current account information. Step 3. Contact the primary account holder. Reach out to the primary account holder of the T-Mobile family plan. They will need to log into their T-Mobile account to invite you. Ensure they have your phone number ready, as they will need it to add you to the plan. Step 4. Receive the invitation. Once the primary account holder sends an invitation, you will receive a notification via text or email. This invitation is necessary to proceed with joining the family plan. Step 5. Accept the invitation. Follow the link in the invitation to accept the offer. This will direct you to T-Mobile's website or app where you can confirm your interest in joining the family plan. Step 6. Review plan options. Once you've accepted the invitation, you'll be prompted to review the current family plan options. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the offerings, including data limits, talk, and text allowances. Step 7. Complete the joining process. After reviewing the plan, you can proceed to finalize your joining process. If you're switching from another carrier, you may also need to provide your current account information for number porting. Step 8. Set up payment options. You will need to set up or update payment options for your account. Make sure to link a payment method that works well for you and ensure that the primary account holder is aware of any changes in billing. Step 9. Confirm your membership. Once you've completed all the steps, you should receive a confirmation from T-Mobile that you've been successfully added to the family plan. Take a moment to check your account and confirm everything is set up correctly. Step 10. Start enjoying shared savings. Now that you've joined the family plan, you can start enjoying the benefits of shared savings on your monthly bill. Review the data usage and other shared features with your family to make the most out of your new plan. Thank you for following along with our step-by-step guide on how to join a family plan on T-Mobile. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content.